Hi guys, today we will be checking out the PB Choc gaming controller. It is one of the latest gaming controllers to be released into the market that features a really unique and stylish design that is fully functional so that you can use it for all your gaming needs. The packaging looks really sleek and elegant, that looks really captivating to the eyes. Let's check out what is inside the packaging. Inside their box, you will find one user guide, one carry-on case, 1 petabyte Tails Choc and a USB-C charging cable provided to charge up the gaming controller. On first look, the PB Tails Choc looks really interesting with hexagonal shapes as its design. Here I have the metallic silver and black version, and it looks good. It has a lot of functional buttons and keys that works great as it has many buttons to control my in-game features. It has a slim and easy to grip design. Really futuristic. Also, the PB Tails Choc gaming controller has 6-axis motion control to allow you to play games and control with motion sensors. One feature that is special on this controller is the turbo mode it offers. Press the turbo T button and any other button to enable auto action of the set key, allowing you to play your game with more efficiency and higher accuracy. It is a fully functional gaming controller with a full set of control keys with ergonomic key placement for better grip and control. The buttons are nimble and the joystick feels good to use to navigate around. Now I will proceed to connect the controller to my computer. You can connect to your computer to the PB Tails Choc gaming controller over Bluetooth. It is equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 for a more stable and reliable connection. To connect to the controller, press and hold the Bluetooth pairing button on the gaming controller to enable pairing mode. Thereafter head over to the computer to pair with the controller over Bluetooth. In a few seconds, the computer will be successfully connected with the gaming controller and I can start gaming with it. It is a really seamless and hassle-free setup. It can even be used to control my computer's interface during navigation using the joystick. It responds well to it wirelessly. Now I will try out playing a game on my laptop with the gaming controller. The USB-C cable can be utilized for synchronization to a Switch gaming pad if you own one and wish to run the PB Tails gaming controller with it. The gaming controller by PB Tails is a great add-on to my gaming hobby, as it's truly wireless and stylish. This gaming controller a really distinctive and fun product to use. It is really unique in the way it's made and at the same time fully functional in its design and features. It even comes with a cool gaming carry-on pouch shaped like a diamond and with reflective films to further accentuate its design of being modern and functional. If you want to know more about the PB Tails Choc, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.